Come with me inside the Ambassador Suite at Park Hyatt Tokyo. Even the entrance feels gallery-like, with small sculptures presented almost ceremonially before the suite opens into a calm, private residence high above Shinjuku. At 115 square meters, just over 1,200 square feet, the suite has a true sense of arrival. There is a generous foyer, an entry closet, and a writing table before you ever reach the main living space. Warm wood, pale stone, textured walls, and soft lighting keep everything elegant, but never cold. The living room is where the art begins to shape the atmosphere. Park Hyatt Tokyo's suites feature contemplative, dreamlike works by Japanese artist Yoshitaka Echizenja, alongside other carefully curated pieces. The suites collection also connects to the hotel's larger art story. In the library, one of Echizenja's large paintings is changed to reflect spring, summer, autumn, and winter. I love that idea. The art is not treated as something static. It allows the hotel to evolve with the Japanese seasons, so the experience can feel a little different each time you return. The suite is wrapped in panoramic city views with several places to sit and take them in. There is a 4-person dining table, a comfortable conversation area, and a curved black cabinet that acts almost like a sculpture within the room. It conceals the television and other practical elements while gently dividing the living and sleeping spaces without interrupting the flow or the light. As we move toward the bedroom, the sculptural details become even more intimate. A small figure is given its own illuminated niche, sculptural magnolia leaf pieces appear above the headboard, and individual objects are placed with enough space around them to be truly noticed. Nothing feels added simply to fill a wall or a corner. The king bedroom continues the same quiet palette, with integrated bedside controls and soft, layered lighting. And these paper lanterns are among the suite's signature design pieces, Akari light sculptures by Japanese-American artist and designer Isamu Noguchi. Made with washi paper and bamboo, Akari turns the lamp itself into a sculpture. The glow is warm and diffused, more like light filtered through a shoji screen than a conventional fixture, and it gives the room such a peaceful evening atmosphere. The bathroom feels like a private retreat of its own. Pale stone surrounds a deep soaking tub and a separate rain shower in an onsen-inspired wet area, while the long double vanity offers plenty of space and storage. Even here, artwork has been thoughtfully placed, so the visual story continues rather than stopping at the bedroom door. The tour finishes with the separate toilet room and a spacious walk-in closet, complete with a luggage bench, shelves, and generous hanging space. What stays with me the most is the balance: sweeping Tokyo views, residential comfort, and art that rewards a closer look. This is quiet luxury with a distinctly Japanese point of view, and exactly the kind of thoughtful stay I love sharing through Glo Journeys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to Aki for taking the time to show me this beautiful suite at Park Hyatt Tokyo. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury hotel tours and travel inspiration from Glo Journeys.